our YouTube channel Learn and Grow. We share various videos related to financial management on our YouTube channel. You can watch them and you can like and share our videos, and please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to autofill the letters of alphabet. So many times a question comes up that how we can autofill the alphabets A, B, C, D in MS Excel. Before that, let us learn how we can autofill the various dates, time, numbers, months. So for that purpose, we will start with dates. If you want to autofill the dates with the gap of one day, what you have to do is you have to come on right corner of that cell and then you have to drag it down like this. Then it will automatically fill up the below cells with the gap of one day. So like that, 10th May, 11th May, 12th May, it will automatically fill up. The same is for time also. If you want to autofill the time with the gap of 1 hour, then you have to just from the right corner you have to drag it down like that till the place you want to fill it. So it will automatically fill with the gap of 1 hour. See, like that. Now very interesting here. Please pay attention that for number it is not the same. If you drag from the right hand corner, it will simply put 1 at every place like that. So that will not solve our purpose, because you want to increase it by 1 automatically. So many times it is used for typing serial numbers. Instead of typing, we can drag it down. So for that purpose, you have to press Control key on your keyboard and right corner of the cell you have to drag it down with pressing the Control key, and you have to brought it till the time you have to fill it up. So it will automatically fill the numbers with the gap of 1 number. Now for my months, you have to simply drag it from the right hand corner, it will automatically get filled. The same is for days. You have to click from the right corner, it will automatically get filled. Now the question comes, how we can fill up the letters of an alphabet like A, B, C, D. So how we can automatically fill up? We cannot type every time, right? If we want some examples, some solutions we are doing, right, in MS Excel. So if we drag simply from the right hand corner, then it will just put at A in every cell. See, now you will say we can do by pressing Control, then also it will not work. So what we can do, how we can type automatically these letters or get auto filled these alphabets in these cells. So let us understand. We will learn now how we can autofill these alphabets. So for that purpose, you have to type a formula is equal to CHAR, that is character, open the bracket, and you have to write ROW, then again open the bracket, then type any cell number, it does not matter. You can write C, D, E, F, G. This is just for reference purpose. We are writing C, and we will have to write 65, because in Excel this 65 is stored for a letter, and then we will close the bracket and then again close the bracket. So see, it will directly come as A. Now if we drag this down, it will automatically fill up A, B, C, D. So this formula will definitely work in filling up. Now let us understand why did we use this C65 and this CHAR and ROW. This CHAR is character. Basically it gives a value which is stored automatically in Excel. So Excel has predefined some values stored in its software. Now if we write like this in C, if I write D also, it does not matter. Like if I change with D, then also it will come like that. And if I autofill it again, then this will be the same result. So these just for a reference purpose, it will not affect any formula in this. You can write C, D, E, F, whatever. The 65 number is the starting number for A, then 66 will be B, 67 will be C, 68 will be D. So what you have to simply do is you have to write character, row, and open the bracket, then you have to write any column number. It not necessary it should be D or C, and then write 65. Remember 65 is for A. Now you can say that how this lengthy formula, how we can remember every time. So for that purpose, alternatively what we can do is we can create autofill list in MS Excel. So we did not write this again and again, this formula, and remember this formula again in Excel. We can simply, like these numbers, these dates, we can simply fill A, B, C, D automatically, the alphabets automatically. So how we can do that? Let us learn how we can create MS Excel autofill sheet. Okay, now let us understand how we can create this autofill custom list, so that we can drag from A and it will get automatically filled instead of writing formulas. What we have to do is, here right now the formula is written, so we have to convert it into letters. We have to select A to Z here, and we have to copy from here, and then we have to paste special over here, right? And in paste special, what we have to do is we have to just write values. So I click on values. So see here automatically the formulas are converted into only values A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now again select this whole cells A to Z and go into file, and then go into options. From options go into advanced and come all the way down here and click on edit custom list. Now here you see as we have selected this A to Z over here, so here they have already picked up imports list from sales J3 to J128, right? We will import from here. We'll just click import here and see here the list of entries automatically they have imported. Now we'll click on OK, and we'll click again on OK. So this ABCD custom list has been created. We type like A over here, right? And we'll press enter. After creating the custom list, if we drag down from A to like this, so it will automatically, if you see, it will automatically fill up till the time Z, Y, Z, right? So see, as we have created custom list, we need not apply any formula over here. Simply we can drag down from here. So this custom list will definitely help you in saving time. And what you can do, you can from here also you can drag from E. If you want drag from, for example, if you want to drag from E, F, G, H, I, J, it will automatically fill up. So from A also we can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The alphabets are getting automatically filled in right, left, upper, below, everywhere, right? So in this way you can create a custom list and you can automatically fill up. I can start from, for example, I can start from K also. After K it will automatically fill L, M, N, O, P automatically. So the alphabets are getting filled in this custom list from the point where they start. This list will help you in automatically inputs or fill ups the alphabets in Excel. Now as I close out, I want to remind you that I keep on uploading various videos on MS Excel. If you are keen in learning Excel, you can follow my videos. I also would like to bring to your notice that I also upload various videos on finance. So if you want to learn any topics on finance, please follow my videos. And a request to you all that please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and please like and share our videos. Support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and please share it with your friends and group circles. Thank you.